If you are creating content for any brand or business, you absolutely must master turning long videos into those short, snackable clips that actually get seen. In 2025, artificial intelligence has completely shifted the landscape, making video editing significantly faster, cheaper, and much more accessible than ever before. Today, I'm walking you through 5 fantastic AI tools I've been testing to help creators and marketers dramatically increase their video output. Plus, I'll show you exactly where the tool Vizard fits into this ecosystem and why it might be the essential piece you didn't realize you were missing. All right, let's jump right in with our first essential tool. Number 1 on the list is the familiar and powerful platform, Descript. You've likely heard of it because Descript genuinely allows you to edit video simply by editing the text transcript. It transcribes your entire footage, and then you chop, move, or rearrange words just as easily as editing a Google Doc. For content creators who truly despise traditional timeline-based editing, this feature alone is a massive lifesaver. Descript also bundles a seriously powerful internal AI toolbox for general cleanup and enhancement. This includes noise cleanup to get studio-grade audio, automatic filler word removal, and even a cool eye contact feature. That eye contact adjustment subtly shifts your gaze so you appear more consistently engaged with the camera, which is huge for talking head content. I really appreciate how Descript makes subtitling, screen recording, and multicam captures surprisingly straightforward to manage. Their newest addition, a chat-based video assistant, is another major time saver. Just tell it what you need, and it applies, edits, or assembles a rough cut. When it comes to pricing, Descript offers flexibility with a free tier up through hobby, creator, and business plans. However, if you need many advanced features and high transcription minutes, you might find the overall cost starts creeping up a bit. And while Descript is brilliant for standard edits and podcasts, it isn't always the best choice for automatically pinpointing the most viral moments in a massive live stream. You typically still need to manually tell the tool which sections of that long content actually matter most. Moving on to number 2, we have Submagic AI, which is crucial if your content lives primarily on social platforms. Captions are everything on social, and Submagic excels at making them look incredibly slick and fast to produce. It boasts a library of trendy caption styles inspired by top creators featuring bold, kinetic typography. With just one click, your captions achieve that modern, sharp look complete with animated emojis and eye-catching presets. It also automates things like simple B-roll inserts, targeted zooms, and transitions to keep your clips feeling energetic without heavy manual editing. Now, the main catch here is that Submagic is fundamentally caption-first in its design philosophy. It's absolutely brilliant for making text pop and giving your clips that punchy, native social media look. But if you need heavy trimming, complex audio balancing across multiple channels, or deep timeline edits, Submagic will definitely feel restrictive. That's why pairing it with another editor makes sense. You do the main cuts elsewhere, then run the captions through Submagic for that final social polish. Number 3 brings us to Adobe Podcast and the general suite of Adobe audio tools, which tackle a very common problem. Audio has always been the neglected step-sibling in video production. People perfect the picture, but ignore bad audio that ruins watch time. Adobe Podcast's enhanced speech feature is ridiculously simple to use for instant results. You upload your clip, hit enhance, and you instantly get clear broadcast-level vocals with almost zero tweaking required. The paid tiers allow you to dial in the voice enhancement and reduce specific background noises more precisely. For creators who aren't professional audio engineers, this represents a monumental boost in daily productivity. The trade-off is that Adobe's whole ecosystem can feel a bit modular and expensive if you need several of their Creative Cloud applications. Also, remember Adobe Podcast primarily focuses on voice. It improves your recordings but won't automatically slice up your long webinars into short, shareable clips. Number 4 is CapCut, which has become the undeniable go-to for short-form creators because it's so fast and fairly free. It's packed with AI tools specifically designed and tailored for creating vertical, short videos that perform well. You get text-based editing, excellent silence removal, background replacement, and smart cut features that automatically trim clips down. Their newer AI video maker can even generate short clips from just a written script, which is truly wild to see in action. CapCut's major strengths absolutely lie in its speed and the incredible ease of use for vertical content creation. But honestly, compared to the power of Descript or a heavyweight like Runway, CapCut's general AI editing capabilities feel somewhat simpler. It's fantastic for creators who are constantly pumping out high volumes of short clips and need quick final delivery. However, it can feel limited if you demand fine-grained control or automation that stretches across scheduling and publishing across all platforms. Finally, number 5 is Runway ML, which is best described as an absolute beast for cutting-edge creative AI effects. Runway functions more like an expansive creative playground for experimentation with new visual possibilities. It offers generative video, advanced image creation, sophisticated background removal, and jaw-dropping lip-syncing tools. If your goal is to create truly surreal visuals or test brand new, never-before-seen footage, Runway is definitely your destination. The output from Runway can often look hyper-realistic, but there is a definite learning curve involved with using it effectively. Furthermore, certain powerful features are usually capped by either video duration or compute costs that you have to manage. It's fantastic for high-concept creative projects, but less ideal for mass-producing, optimized, ready-to-post short clips from a 2-hour webinar. So, we've just reviewed the main players: Descript, Submagic, Adobe Podcast, CapCut, and Runway ML. Each one of these is brilliant, but they each excel at only one specific piece of the content creation workflow. Descript crushes transcript-driven edits and voice cleanup, while Submagic nails those stylish, attention-grabbing captions. Adobe Podcast makes your vocals sound incredibly professional. CapCut is the undisputed short-form speed machine, and Runway handles next-level creative generation. But here's the central issue. Most of these tools only solve one part of the puzzle for you. If you want a single, cohesive solution that takes those long recordings and automatically spits out dozens of viral-ready clips, schedules them, and gives you a clear overview, that is precisely where Vizard enters the game. Let me explain exactly how Vizard is fundamentally different from those other specialized apps. First up is auto-editing for viral clips, Vizard's core superpower. Vizard's AI digs into your long video files and intelligently finds the moments most likely to perform well on social media. It looks for high-energy segments, genuine emotional beats, audience reactions, and those punchy, quotable sound bites. It then automatically spits out perfectly bite-sized clips, already trimmed and framed correctly for every specific platform you use. This means you stop wasting time combing through hours of footage trying to guess which 30 seconds will actually land with your audience. Instead, Vizard hands you a curated stack of potential viral hits ready for review. That functionality alone represents a colossal savings in time and creative energy every single week. The second major differentiator is the auto-schedule feature, because content sitting in a folder is digital dust. With Vizard, you simply define your desired posting frequency, and the AI will queue and publish those clips automatically based on that schedule. Say goodbye to manual uploads across 5 different platforms and missing out on prime posting times because you were busy editing. For solo creators or small teams trying to maintain a consistent posting cadence, this level of automation is truly a game changer. Thirdly, Vizard provides you with a centralized content calendar for absolute mastery over your output. This is your single destination to preview every upcoming post, adjust captions on the fly, or even reshuffle the clip order. The calendar updates immediately, giving you that perfect blend of hands-off automation and precise creator control. Now, I'm not suggesting Vizard replaces the unique capabilities of Descript or Runway ML outright. Think of Vizard more like the essential organizational and distribution glue that binds your whole creative process together. Use Descript for its peerless transcript edits and studio audio fixes when needed. Use Runway when you want to push the absolute boundaries of what's visually possible with generated imagery. Then, let Vizard take your finalized long-form assets, auto-create the entire roster of short clips, schedule them out, and keep the whole thing organized. That strategic combination allows you to achieve professional-grade output without having to hire a full-time editor or a dedicated social manager. A few real-world perks I genuinely appreciate about the Vizard platform include its ability to scale production sustainably. If you're publishing multiple times a week across various channels, this pipeline truly makes the entire production manageable. It's also incredibly cost-effective when you compare the subscription price against maintaining several other dedicated software subscriptions. The AI often manages to find those quick, off-the-cuff lines or subtle laughs that humans just routinely miss in review. Those are the little gold nuggets that often end up absolutely crushing performance on social feeds. Of course, no automated system is perfectly flawless. You will occasionally want to override a suggestion or change a specific crop. However, the interface makes those small manual tunings feel like quick fine-tuning rather than having to perform an entire content rework. So, what should you actually start experimenting with this week to boost your output? If you are primarily producing talking head videos or just podcasts, the Descript plus Vizard combination is incredibly strong. Descript handles the internal dialogue cleanup, and Vizard instantly scales that content into a consistent flow of scheduled shorts. If your brand relies on highly stylized, aesthetic short-form content, use CapCut or Submagic for that visual pop. Then, let Vizard automate the heavy pipeline work so your high-spark videos actually get posted on a regular basis. For those of you experimenting with bleeding-edge generative visuals, keep Runway in your creative bag. But trust Vizard to take those long source files and efficiently turn them into platform-sized bites automatically. Alright guys, that is the full roundup of the must-watch AI video tools for the modern creator. Which one of these tools are you most curious about trying out first on your own content? Drop a comment below and let me know if you want a deep dive demo on any single application. I can easily demo specific workflows like the Descript to Vizard synergy or the CapCut to Vizard automation sequence. This way, you can see exactly how to build your own highly effective automated content engine. Personally, I find the real sustainable productivity wins come from using these powerful tools together intelligently. And Vizard is such a fantastic central hub for transforming all that long video source material into a consistent stream of shorts that genuinely grow your audience. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you all in the very next video.